Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to add a space between paragraphs in WordPress post. Why would you want to know how to add a space between paragraphs in WordPress post? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to add a space between paragraph in WordPress post. So today I am going to show you how to add a space between paragraph in WordPress post. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding a space between paragraph in WordPress post is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will add a space between paragraph in WordPress post. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to posts in the left menu and then click on all posts. Now in this screen, first open a post and then click on add block and now search space and then click on spacer. Now you can adjust this space. So for saving these changes, click on publish. So there you go. If you were wondering how to add a space between paragraph in WordPress post, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.